Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spiral shirt. The shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. I'm finding a spot on the shirt where I'd like to begin the spiral and using a fork to start the spiral. As I turn the fork one direction, I'm using my other hand and forming additional folds in the shirt. I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. For this shirt, I'm going to use two different colors on the front and two different colors on the back of the shirt. On the front, I'm going to use turquoise and bluebird from Dharma Trading Company. And on the back, I'm going to use plum from Dharma and strawberry from Custom Colors. On the front of the shirt, I'm going to stripe it with the bluebird and the turquoise. I'm beginning with the turquoise and I'm going straight down through the middle of the spiral. Then I'm going to skip a section on the shirt where I'd like to put the bluebird and add another line of turquoise. And I'm going to do that on each side. Now I'm going to add bluebird to these two other sections. I'd like for the color to just barely start coming through on the back side, so I'm going to add a little bit more dye to this front. When I can barely start seeing the color come through to the back side, that lets me know that I'm getting the middle of the shirt saturated pretty well. And hopefully I won't end up with a lot of white right in the middle. When I turn the shirt over, on the back side, I'm going to put the stripes going the opposite direction as I did on the front. Right in the middle, I'm going to add the plum from Dharma. Then on either side of this middle plum line, I'm going to add the strawberry from Custom Colors. The two outer sections are going to be more plum. Now I'm going to set the shirt aside and allow it to process for at least 24 hours. This one actually went for 36. I'm going to begin rinsing my shirt in cold water to rinse out any of the excess soda ash. Then I'll gradually warm the water up to hot and continue rinsing to rinse out the excess dye that didn't react with the shirt. Since the blue kept bleeding out of this shirt for a while, I went ahead and just ran a little bit of hot water, added a splash of Dawn dish soap into the sink, and soaked the shirt for a while. When the water would cool off, I would change it out, and I repeated this process until the water was almost clear. Then I put the shirt in the washing machine along with some Dharma's textile detergent, washed it and dried it, and this is what the shirt looks like. So overall, I like this shirt. I think part of the turquoise on the front of the shirt pretty much got eaten up by the bluebird. This is my first time experimenting with the bluebird, which is one of Dharma's new colors. It's the color that they formulated to take the place of the cerulean blue. And I like the color, but The turquoise kind of got eaten up by it, except right in the middle. You can still see a pretty good band of turquoise right there. I also like the effect that putting a different color combination on the back gave the shirt. The colors blended really well, and I think it gave a pretty good effect. So hey, if you've enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel by pushing the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.